Feeling overwhelmed by bills and endless payments? What if I told you there's a way to combine your debts, lower your monthly payments, and regain control of your finances? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can consolidate your debt and save big every single month. Hey everyone, welcome back to Financially Savvy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more tips on personal finance and money management. Today, we're diving into a hot topic that's trending right now: debt consolidation. With rising costs everywhere, it's no surprise that Americans are looking for ways to simplify their finances. So let's get started. 1. What is debt consolidation? First, let's clarify, what exactly is debt consolidation? Simply put, it's the process of combining multiple debts into a single loan or payment. Imagine having just one payment to worry about, instead of juggling credit cards, personal loans, and medical bills. There are a few popular ways to consolidate debt. Personal loans. Borrow a loan to pay off high-interest debts. Balance transfer credit cards. Transfer your debts to a card with 0% interest for a set period. Home equity loans or HELOCs. Use your home's equity to secure lower interest rates. Each method has its pros and cons, and we'll explore them in a bit. Number 2, benefits of debt consolidation. So, why consolidate debt? Here are the 3 main benefits. Lower monthly payments. By securing a lower interest rate, you'll pay less each month. Imagine freeing up an extra $200-$500 in your budget. Simplified finances. One payment means less stress and fewer chances of missing due dates. Better interest rates. If you have decent credit, you can score rates far lower than most credit cards, which often charge 20% or more. But here's the key. It's not just about saving money. It's about taking control of your financial future. 3. How to consolidate debt step by step. All right, let's get practical. Here's how you can consolidate debt in easy steps. Step 1. Assess your debt. List all your debts, balances, interest rates, and minimum payments. Step 2. Check your credit score. Your credit score will determine the type of loan or interest rate you can qualify for. Aim for 670 plus for the best options. Step B. Research consolidation options. Compare personal loans, balance transfer cards, or HELOCs. Websites like NerdWallet or Bankrate are great for this. Step R. Apply for the right option. Gather your financial documents and apply. If approved, use the funds to pay off your existing debts immediately. Step 5. Stick to your new payment plan. This is where discipline comes in. Avoid racking up more debt while you're paying off your consolidated loan. And remember, this isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. You need to choose the option that aligns with your goals and financial situation. Number 4. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you dive in, watch out for these common mistakes. Taking on new debt. Consolidating your debt won't help if you keep spending on credit cards. Ignoring fees. Some balance transfer cards charge up to 5% in fees. Do the math to see if it's worth it. Not comparing lenders. Always shop around for the best rates. Even a 1% difference can save you thousands in interest. By avoiding these pitfalls, you'll be much more likely to succeed with your consolidation plan. Number 5. Is debt consolidation right for you? Now, the big question: is debt consolidation the right move for you? Here's how to decide. If your credit score is solid, you'll likely qualify for lower rates. If you're overwhelmed by managing multiple payments, it can simplify your life. However, if your spending habits haven't changed, consolidation may only delay the problem. Pro tip: combine consolidation with a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. You'll set yourself up for long-term success. And that's it. Debt consolidation can be a game changer if done right. Just remember, it's not a quick fix, but a powerful tool to get you back on track financially. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips on managing your money. Let me know in the comments, what's your biggest financial challenge right now? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and take control of your financial future. See you in the next video.